Hello everyone, welcome back to the Glide script. In the last video, we started talking about tables and fields in ServiceNow, how data is organized, and the difference between core and custom tables, and parent and child relationship and we have created different fields. Today we are continuing from right where we left off. This is part 2 of our deep dive into tables and fields. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, don't worry. The link is in the description and also in the info button above. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and share this video with anyone learning ServiceNow. Alright, let's jump in, keep mastering ServiceNow together. I will just quickly recap the previous table we have created in the previous video. Our table new tire request was the name. So just type in the filter navigator new tire request. So this was the table we have created. So I will go into the configure this table directly. See, 5 fields we have created, and these are the out of the box created by updated and the sysID created. These are the things created by out of the box by default. SysID unique ID associated with every records and tables in ServiceNow. This is the form view of our table. This is the requester and it is a reference field. If you click on this magnifying icon, it will take you to the sys user table. We have 627 out of the box user created in ServiceNow, so we can select any user out of 627. Date and time field, we can select any date from here, like this is true and false type. This is tire model is a choice field. I have created any random tire model name just to show you the demo. And the invoice number is auto populated. It will be generated automatically if, and it is a read. I made it read only because no one can change the invoice number. Okay, so we'll create few more fields with different field types. To create any columns or fields, what you need to do, just click on the new UI action here. Click here. This time I'm going to select reference again, and column name I want to give delivery address, and column name will be auto populated with the u prefix, you know already. And once you'll select the reference field type, you'll have to define the reference specification here. So reference where you want to refer your field on which table. So here I will select the location because I want to select location out of the box location. Okay, save it. You know already how to create fields, so this time I'm going to show you the shortcut quickly how we can create many fields. Just after sysID, give equal to and then -1, click enter, select your table. So our table name is new tire request. This time I'm going to select the currency. The field type will be currency because we'll have to give the invoice amount field name. Okay, for this just save it, no need to define anything else. Again after sysID, this time I'm going to select again string, but previously we have selected string, but now I will select string full UTF. What's the basic difference? If you select the string, you'll have to define the maximum length is mandatory, see, and once you select string full UTF, see, the maximum length is not mandatory. So just this time, for this time, select string full UTF, and what will the column label will be brief service description. Column name will be auto populated, gives the maximum length 500. Save it. Now let's see, just refresh the form. See, so we have created invoice amount here, delivery address. If you will click here, it will take you to the location table cmn underscore location, and you can select out of the box location from here. And this is the brief service description. If you click on this plus, the size of this box will keep increasing and then decrease. So keep it default. Create another field. This time I will select file attachment. In the column label, I will give any random upload vehicle, a registration card. Okay, and save it and see the difference. What's the changes here? See, once you click to add here, it will take you to the your file location from your computer, and you can upload any file. Choose a file, choose file here, and then upload it. Okay, so these are the fields. You can click how many field types are here. Out of the box, we have 55 field types. You can select as per the requirement. I have created the most common used the field types. Say these are the icon, timestamp, integer, IP address as well. You can select password type, phone number as well. You can select it. See, journal, long. So I'm not going to create every all field types. Now what we will do, I will divide into the two columns, and then I will make the sections. Before that, I want to show you incident form. Incident.form. If you type it in capital form, it will open a form view in a new tab. See, so this is the incident form. What I want to show you, see, these are the fields or columns divided into two column sections. See, until a configuration item assigned to, it is divided in two columns, and then from short description, one column, and these are the sections. Notes, let inside the notes, see, there are many fields here. Then related records, we have some reference type fields, and then resolution. So on the incident form, we have three sections, so we can create similar sections on our table as well. Close it, and then go right click here and go to the configure. See, we have form builder, form design, form layout. Open it side by side, and I want to show you form design and then form layout. So this is the form layout. From here you can also say, if I want invoice number at the top, just drag it to top, and then move it to the top, invoice number. This is the slash bucket, and then these are the selected and these are the available. So from the left side, you'll have to select it and then add it to the right side. Just add it and then move from where you want to split, begin the split. I want after requester until time, or I'm only giving you the demo, and then end split like here, and I want brief description at the bottom. Okay, just let's see what's up. See, after two columns, we have started the begin split. Until here it was split, and then before the brief service description, we ended the split. Okay, so by this way also you can configure your form view from the form layout option as well. I will just, if you want to remove it, just remove this, click here, remove. As of now, we have only one view on our form, so it is showing only default view. You can create, we have only one section as of now. We can create new section from here, and then you can create new field as well. For example, if I create any field, just demo, give it demo field name. Okay, type will be string, just add it. So this demo field is added. You can move it here, just save it. Let's see. See, demo field is added here. You can refresh and demo field is added. What I will do, go to the configure and again form layout. I haven't saved it after removing this, that's why it is still the formatting was the same as previous. Okay, if you will select any like XYZ field name, and if you will select the choice, why I told you to not go by this method. The reason is that if you will select the choice, how you will define the choice here. I already shown you our form. I have created in the previous video the choice field and given 4 choice values. But in this way, by this way, how you can define the choice, how you will make your any field mandatory read only from in the form layout. That's why it is not recommended until it is not necessary. Just go to create any string field. No problem. You can create it true and false. It's okay. Just save this. And this form builder was the introduced in from the Washington release. Before Washington, it was not available in our service now, so it is introduced in Washington release. Keep in mind that it is very simple. See, one column you can divide into 2 columns. See, you can create add field above below. Attach file. See, we have already created. We have, see, fields are available. These are the out of the box fields are available. The best way is the form design. Just close it. See, until now we have one column layout. These are the field types. See, these are the field types. We have created few fields out of these. So it's a simple drag and drop. If you want choice field, just bring it here. Go to the setting, give any name, backend name, and the choice options. You can directly create choice as well from here. No need to go to the dictionary entry. From here you can create choice as well. This is the simple drag and drop. Where we have created a choice tire model. See, just click on the gear icon here. This is the tire model name, backend name. After save, it will appears like this. And then see, MRF, the backend name, value. This is the label and this is the value. See it. I can add another model as well from here. Okay, and this is the choice type as well. Drop down with none. We can select none, drop down without none. Then if you'll select drop down without none, you will have to define any default value for this. Okay, you can make mandatory read only from here. You can customize from here as well. So for now, what I need, invoice number should be on top, requester will be on top, date and time, I'll make it 2 columns. Requester will be here, date and time of service. I want it should appear here. Let's see the changes after saving. The entire model is this emergency I want here, and then tire model, delivery address, invoice amount, brief short description should be make section, add a, see, if you hover your cursor here, it will show you add a new section after section 1. So this is the section 1. This entire area is section 1. If you click here, see, new section is created. I will give the section name invoice information. Okay, just for the demo purpose. And in this I want to bring it here, invoice. If you don't want layout, just clicks one column. Okay, and then I will make again one section, and this time I'll give requester information. We have few fields, that's why I have to decide on which section what fields I need to place. So in requester information, I will give the requester and then delivery address, just for the demo purpose. And this section I want to move it up. Okay, if you want, it should appear here. So okay, then invoice amount will be on the below. Vehicle registration, tire model, and a brief service description. I want, if you have deleted it by mistaken, just click on the undo, click on this plus, and service description I want here, and I want it in one column, so it will be one column layout. For now, just save it and see the changes, then accordingly we can again update it how it looks like. If it's look good, it's okay, otherwise we'll do. See, so we have the requester information. In this we have, see, the requester and then the delivery address. In the invoice information, we have invoice amount here, and in the new section, I haven't given any name, that's why it's showing the new section. So brief service description. So by this way it will be appear. And the upload vehicle registration, I want these things should be requester in and vehicle information. Okay, tire model. We'll make another section here. After this, another section, and vehicle and tire information. Okay, don't worry, these things will be, everything will be given by your the business analyst. You don't have to decide where it should be, so you'll have to design accordingly. For now we are just doing R&D. Don't worry, it will help you. Tire model, upload vehicle. Okay, I will bring it inside. Let's see how it looks like now. See, tire model, and then upload vehicle and vehicle information. Now it looks quite good. So what I wanted to show you, the sections, how you can create different sections, how you can create your field names, and just save it. Just give any day, random date. Is this emergency? Okay, yeah. And paste. No field are mandatory. You can save without feeding any data, but I'll select able tutor is our requester. Delivery address will be this. Vehicle, select tire model C8. Invoice amount will be $100, 110, and just save it. So one record has been saved. Okay, one thing I want to show you, it's very important in when we will learn the catalog item. At that time you will also see how we can create customize this. See, for now, see the invoice amount is showing in dollar, but I want Indian rupees symbol here. But Indian rupees symbol or any other country symbol is not. Only 2, 4, 5 symbols are present here. So out of the 5 you have to select euro, yen, and then pound. So how we can bring Indian rupee symbol and other country symbol? If I'll click here, right click and go to the configure dictionary, what we do, always go to the configure dictionary and change the field value. So okay, let's see configure dictionary. It's very important concept here. But see, there is no choice section is empty here. So how we can, from where it is coming, there is no choice list specification, no default value. So how we can change this? For that, go to the filter navigator, type, we have currency table. I think we have fx underscore currency dot list. See how many currency we have, 138. But why only four currencies are available here? For that, go to the active and group by the active. So we'll see how many currencies are active. See, only 4 currencies are active: euro, Japanese yen, Switzerland. This is not Chinese. Switzerland francs, and then United Kingdom pound and US dollar. That's the things are showing here. And these all currencies are inactive. You can see active is false. So whichever currency your customer is asking, you will have to come onto the FX currency table and make active as true. So what I will do, I will search for Indian rupees because I am an Indian. Sorry, I think. Okay, so India rupees, it's not Indian, it's mentioned name is India, so you'll have to select star. If you'll type star, it means contain. So if anything contains with INDI, it will appear here. Currently see this is false. Double click, make it true, and click. Okay, what I will do, I will ungroup this. Now come here, refresh it, and see the magic. We have Indian rupees. So I have like 5,000 or 50,000, whatever amount. Now it is showing. So by this way, you can select your own currency, required currency. Always go to the FX currency table and make active true. You can create your another currency if it is not available. Out of how many currencies were here? 138. Just click here. Everything is stable. See, just defined. XYZ, like my currency symbol is XYZ. Symbol, just bring your symbol, give the name, and then submit. Your currency will be record will be added to the currency FX currency table. Okay, discard this. Now I'll close this. So this is the form design. And another thing, I wanted to just give you the basic idea, but I will not show you in this video. Just go to the configure. See, for that I'll go to the again incident table, and this time I'll open the any saved record to show you. You always see these things. These are the sections, as you know. These are the sections. You know now how you can create the sections, how you can create the table, how you can customize this, how you can make a two column layout and a single column, and then move up and down as per the requirement. Okay, these are called UI action, as you know. These are the once you'll save the form. See, these are the related links. Related links. How you can bring related links on your table. So this is the incident table, and we have the task SLA affected CIs. So if you'll click here on the incident table, configure related list. So this is the slush bucket, and as you know, left side is available and right side, whatever you'll select, it will appear. So if I'll select approvers and bring it right side and save it, see, approver is now this related link is appeared added to this incident form. But what I want to do, if I will go to the configured and click on the related list, only attachment is available. There are no like incident. I will open side by side. See, why in the slush bucket we don't have any incident like related list available. You can select attachment for now, just save it. So once you'll save the form, attachment is created. If you click on the attachment, you'll have to add that, choose the file and add attachment. Okay, I'll bring it, remove it for now. To create the related list, what we have to do, we have relationship table here. Go to the relationship table under the system definition, I think, yes, system definition, open it, and these all the relation. You'll have to make the relationship first, and then you can add the on the table. I'll show you any, just open any random 1 2. See, these are the name of the related list. Application is the global, applies to this table, and then queries from which table you want to query the related list. See, and this is the script. Same similarly here applies. So if we'll click a relationship, go to new, give any name, and then applies to which table. So applies to our table name is new tire request. New tire request, queries from which table. For now, if I'll select anything like problem is also out of the box table in ServiceNow. Problem and script, name, anything, problem. Save it. See, this is the problem, and save it. Now all problem records, how many problems records, 24, is attached to our form. By this way we can create related list, but I will explain you in the development section how we can create related list. Okay, let's close this as well, and then close this. This is our table. So what I want to show you, go to the control section If you'll click on the extensible and select this checkbox, then this table is now will become the parent of another table. I'll show you the live demo. Just save it. Go to the tables. Tables. Try to create new table. Don't go anywhere. Just type here our table name, new, tag request C. We can make our table as parent of this table. But what will happen if we will select uncheck this, save it, and refresh the page? Now what will happen if we select new tire request? See, our table name is not appearing here, is not coming. It means we haven't checked the option to make our table as parent. So whenever you are creating a table and you want to extend that table to make parent, always check this. Okay, we have created this auto numbering. By default, this 4ACL is created with every table, and whenever you'll create any table, the user role will be created. But again, the user role is a different topic. When in the next video, most probably I will make video on how to create user and roles. Then I will explain in details, but for now I will give the brief idea about the roles. So a role is, this role is required to access this table. Again, I will give you the live demo. Just impersonate any user. For example, able tutor. Able tutor, I think he does not have this role to access this table. Go to the filter navigator and type new tire request. See, it is not appearing here. So in impersonation, what I will do, go to the user the list. Click able tutor. Okay, he does not have any role until now. So what we'll do, we will give our table role to the able tutor. See, come to the control section, copy this role and give to the, no need to copy, add it. Okay, to become easy for us, just paste here this role. I just given this role to able tutor. What will happen now? Now I'll just impersonate able tutor again, and this time hopefully we will be able to access on behalf of able tutor this table, our table. See, new tire request is now accessible. So this for now, just keep in mind that role is required to access any table in ServiceNow. See, he can create, he can submit any record and anything. Good. And impersonation, and then let's see what. Go to the file. This table is available globally. This is not a custom table. You are not making any this table inside a custom scope. This is a global scope, so this table is available globally. Okay, these are the related list associated with this this table. Okay, that's it for this video, and in next video I will create group, users group, and then role, the most important topic, and I'll explain a very important concept, role optimization. I promised earlier it is not available, easily available on the YouTube, so don't miss that video. I will create video on, and I'll explain role optimization, how you can save the license cost. Okay, keep watching, keep learning, and share with your friends. Thank you.